Hello, it's Victor Dadash. Hope you're having a great day. Would you like to learn how to get free leads using Facebook? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get free leads using your Facebook account. What I like to do is I like to offer people something of value. It could be notes from an event I attended that featured very successful speakers. It could be a free ebook, or it could be a killer blog post. And then I will ask them, if you would like a copy of it, comment below, notes please, or message me personally. And I will get a whole bunch of responses, and then I will ask them for their email address, and then we'll add them to my list. So I will show you how that all works right now. So let's go to my Facebook account and look at this post I did. I say, just got back from an amazing mastermind in Las Vegas, listening to 6, 7, and 8 figure earners. Took lots of great notes while I was there. If you would like a copy of my notes, comment below notes please, or message me and I will send them to you. And as you can see, I got a whole bunch of responses. Yes, yes please, notes please. A whole bunch of people responded. A few more also messaged me, and I got about 60 responses. So after all this happens, I will go to the people who responded and send them this message. I will say, hey, first name. So, hey, Joe, or hey, Mary. I'll be emailing my list of notes in the next couple of days. What is the best email address to send you the notes? And they will always send me their email address. This is much more effective than sending them a funnel link to opt into, because some people are not going to opt into your link. But if you ask them for your email address, they will always send you their email address, and they will send you a good email address. Whereas with a funnel link, sometimes they will send you a fake one. So once they all respond with their email address, I go to my autoresponder, I will add it to my email list, and they're there. I got a whole bunch of free leads using one Facebook post. With this Facebook post, I got 60 leads, and it didn't cost me a penny. Let's look at another post I did doing the same thing. I say, who would like a free copy of my ebook, 7 Steps to Affiliate Marketing Riches? Comment below ebook or message me. And I got a whole bunch of comments here. A bunch of people saying ebook, me please, ebook. And a couple of other people also messaged me. And again, I sent them a similar message asking them, I will be emailing my list, or in this case, the ebook, in the next couple of days. What is the best email address to send you the ebook? And a whole bunch of people responded, and I believe I got 24 leads from this post. So if you do these kind of posts offering something of value and you ask people to comment, you will get a bunch of people responding. So you can get 10 leads, 20 leads, 40 leads, 60 leads. It really depends on how valuable they find your post. Offer them something of value, ask them to comment or message you, and then once they respond, send them an email saying you're going to email your list in a couple of days. What is the best email address to send you the notes or the ebook? And once they send you their email, you just add them to your list and you get a free leads just like that. So I hope you got a lot of value. If you did, please comment below. Feel free to share this video with other people and subscribe to my channel below. This is Victor Dadash signing off. Have a wonderful day.